are out in the garden. It is going to be a big challenge to get all of these weeds out of my garden. Again, the bolting kale is wonderful because the bees love them. However, and they probably love these little weeds all over the place, but I don't love them. So I am about to go in here and get these weeds out. I did not order, which I wish I had them because they would have been here today, these growing bags, which I'm about to order right now. Because I'm going to try growing bags in the garden this year in a lot of spaces. And I've got to get these weeds out. It's the cherry tree, it's sweet sour cherry tree, and the peach, the apricot, peach, and nectarine tree, which is called a fruit cocktail tree. It's blooming. Well, it's leaving now. It's got leaves now, but the others are blooming. Other trees are blooming. So this is my makeshift door. Took down. I've got my pruner because my daylilies right there in the middle, they got old stalks on them, so I'm gonna cut those old stalks back. Lots to do in the garden, and I'm trying to get my deck together up there, and probably gonna move those chairs, the lawn chairs, down to the fire pit area. All right, it's gonna be a day. Stay tuned.